Hi Capricorn, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 4th of April. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now, very quickly, please understand that the objective of the channel is to provide generic guidance, okay? So, only take what resonates and leave the rest. Now, let's see what this week has in store for you. The first card that I see for you, Capricorn, is the Six of Pentacles. You have the Page of Cups and the Ace of Swords. Your person has the Six of Swords, the Moon card, and you have the Five of Wands. Bottom of the deck, we have the Five of Swords. With the Five of Swords, there could be competition, there could be a lot of conflict around this relationship that could have led to a lot of misunderstandings between the two of you. What I see here for you, Capricorn, you have the Six of Pentacles. With the Six of Pentacles, it means that either you were sharing with two people, okay, and you were dealing with two people, and you realize that there's some kind of a compromise that is required in the situation, okay. So that's the energy that I see that you are in. However, you definitely have love for this person. With this Page of Cups being there, you want to offer this particular cup of love, and you also want to have a very honest conversation. With this Ace of Swords, you want to tell them what is the matter. If they feel that that you are dealing with somebody else, then you want to tell them exactly what's going on, because you have emotions for them. This person, on the other hand, has the Six of Swords. With that, they feel that they are carrying the burden of this relationship on their shoulders. They are the ones putting in all the effort, and maybe they are not seeing that coming in from your end, which means you're not reciprocating, okay, and you don't acknowledge that effort. This person also has the Moon card, okay. So with the Moon energy being there, there is definitely some secrets in this relationship, either from your end or from this person's end, that needs to come out, so that both of you can have that conversation and then decide if this is something that will work for both of you, or if in case if you feel that it's not going to work out, then you can decide if you want to part ways. Now, another card that I see for your person is the Five of Wands. Again, with Five of Wands, there's a lot of competition, a lot of people around, okay. So you are feeling that apart from the two of you, there are external factors which are influencing this relationship, and that could be something that is interfering between the two of you, okay. So just have a very honest conversation and try to sort out things, is what I would advise you. Let's take one card here to see what is the message from archangels for you for this particular week. Let's go ahead and take one card here to see what is the message from archangels. Let's quickly go ahead and take one card. All right, the message here is from this crystal, which is Damoterite. So the crystal message is: are you able to imagine your life asking help from the divine? Are you seeking inner peace? It is time to acknowledge that you have the ability to hear, sense, or know information and guidance from angel and spirit guides. Realign and develop your spiritual awareness. Objectively observe patterns and behaviors and shift. Okay, now let's take another card here to understand what is the intention of this person for you this week. The intention that I see here is the Fool card. That's the Aries energy. With that, either you're dealing with an Aries, or this person will take a big leap of faith and move forward in a totally different direction. Okay, now let's take another one here. Okay, with that big leap of faith that they will do, okay, with this Aries energy, they will just walk away with this Six of Swords, which means they will walk away towards calmer waters. So if you see, the water is quite rough here, and they are moving away towards the calmer waters. So if the situation is really intense, and maybe a lot of things are happening, they are not liking it, and they would want to move away, so that they have a little bit of peace of mind. Let's go ahead and take one more card here. All right, and that's the Six of Wands. Six of Wands is when a person would want victory in this situation, okay. Now, victory in a situation doesn't necessarily mean that both of you will be together. Victory in a situation could also mean that this person is not liking the entire situation, and victory for them would be to just walk away and be alone and have that peace of mind, okay. And that's for some of you. The other scenario is this person would take a big leap of faith and would want to have a victory in this situation for both of you. So it totally depends on the kind of person that you are dealing with and what they feel is victory in a situation. Okay, now the message here from Archangel Raziel, I'll put that in the description box for you. You can read it from there. And that's all I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe the channel. And till the next time, stay safe, love yourself first.